Ever wondered what it takes to build a dynamic website or a robust software application from scratch? Ever been curious about how your favorite digital platforms work? Full-stack Java development is the powerhouse behind such digital marvels. If you're fascinated and yearn to create your own, a career as a full-stack Java developer could be your perfect match. So, what does a full-stack Java developer do exactly? Well, they don the hat of a versatile tech maestro, adept in front-end and back-end development, proficient in database management, and well-versed in server interaction. They hold the unique position of understanding and working on every phase of a software project. From crafting user interfaces to ensuring seamless server responses, they do it all. In essence, a full-stack Java developer is like a skilled architect who understands every aspect of building a digital masterpiece. Now, you might be wondering about the career prospects and industry scope for full-stack Java developers. These wizards of coding can find themselves in roles as diverse as software engineers, application developers, or even IT project managers. Their skills are in high demand across a variety of sectors, from the tech giants to finance, healthcare, and beyond. With the ever-growing digital transformation, full-stack Java developers have an ocean of opportunities waiting for them. So, how can you dive into this exciting field? Consider the full-stack Java developer course at CAD Nest. We boast expert faculty, a comprehensive curriculum, and a hands-on learning approach. We aim to turn your aspirations into achievements. At CAD Nest, we equip you with the skills and knowledge to become a successful full-stack Java developer. Are you ready to take the first step towards your dream career? Enroll with CAD Nest and start your journey as a full-stack Java developer today.